30 definition of terms. Number 1. Industrial security. Protection of an organization, physical, technological, and human assets from threats such as theft, espionage, sabotage, cyber attacks, and terrorism. Number 2. Security measures. International threats such as crime, espionage, terrorism, and cyber attacks. Number 3. Safety measures. Unintentional hazard such as accidents, natural disaster, and equipment failures. Number 4 is physical security. It's the broadest branch of security. Number 5, communication security. Protection resulting from barriers, measures that prevent delay the enemy or unauthorized person in gaining information through communication system. Number 6, hotel security. To protect your guests, assets, and their properties in hotels and other establishments. Number 7, bank security. Protecting the assets of the bank. Number 8, operational security. Protection of processes, formula, parents, and other manufacturers. Number 9, VIP security. Protection of top-ranking officials. Number 10, industrial security. Security applied to business groups engaged in industries. Number 11, movable or portable lighting. This consists of stationary or portable manually operated searchlights. Number 12, emergency lighting. Used in terms of power failure or other emergencies. Number 13, incandescent lamp. Provide instant illumination. Number 14, gaseous discharge. Require a period of 2 to 5 minutes to light when bulb. Number 15, mercury vapor lamps. These lamps give a blue-green or color light. Number 16, sodium vapor lights. These lamps emit yellow light. Number 17, street lights. Street lights produce diffuse light rather than directional. Number 18, alarm. Security device fitted to property, usually a house or a car to make warning sound. Number 19, actuator. A device that trigger an alarm system when activated. Number 20, motion sensor. Detect movement inside the area to be protected. Number 21, locks. A mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, or electronic device designed to prevent entry into a building, rooms, and etc. Number 22, warded locks. Offers a very little security. Number 23, these timber locks use of the automobile industry and a general use indoors today. Number 24, lever locks. These locks are used in safe deposits, boxes, and for all practical purposes. Peak proof. Number 25, code operated locks. These are the combination type of locks in that no key are used. Number 26, administrative personnel handles the communication, assurances, and communication. Number 27, security investigator conducts background checks, investigate incidents, and submit report. Number 28, security director oversees the entire security operations, policies, and compliance. Number 29, security guard, an individual responsible for protecting people, property, and assets. Number 30, security guard force, a group of units of security guards working together under a structured system. And that's all. Thank you.
What's